So after this, how to insert the image and all the things. So we are done with this section. Insert this page break and all these things will not talk. Okay, so we are done with this. Actually, this footnote and endnotes and page break is not that much important at this level, so I'm not covering up them. I'll just focus on the important points. Okay, so now we have working with columns, pictures, chart, graph, use of mail merge, word art, drawing toolbar. So let's see what all this. Sorry. Okay, so working with columns means what? Suppose I have one paragraph here. Um, Okay, I have two paragraphs, but I don't want this paragraph in this format. I want them as a column. So what you can do, you can select that paragraph or select that text and go to the view, and in the view, just a minute. In the layout menu, there is a column option. Go to the column. Okay, how many columns you want? Suppose 2 or 3. Suppose 2. So you can see that your paragraph will be automatically converted into the columns. Right? It depends like which type of document you are preparing. Based on that, you can select this option. So now you can see that your 2 paragraphs has been converted into the 3 columns. So this is about the columns. Pictures we have already studied in the last part, that how you can insert the picture, how you can give border, and like you can change the style. Okay, now we have the chart. Okay, chart. So go to the insert menu. Here you have charts. Chart is something this way, right? Suppose you want to show some grades or marks or some pictorial representation of the data, then you can use this. Many different types of charts are there. Let's say I use pie chart or this chart, column chart. Click on the OK, and you will get the chart as well as the Excel sheet. Why Excel sheet? Because when we say that here we have the data you can only insert in the Excel sheet to get the chart. So here is the chart. Let me change the data so you can see the effect over here. Suppose I want let's type the subject. Let's say AR1, then we have another subject AR2, then we have AO, right? These three subjects we have, and I just want to know the total number of students. Right here I want students, and that is to English medium, from the English medium. So okay, in the AR1 let's say we have 12 students, in AR2 let's say we have 14, for AO let's say we have 6 students, right? Then let's say students are from Gujarati medium. So let's say in AR we have 13 students, for AR2 we have 20 students, for AO we have 9 students, right? So see, you can observe that student from English medium, student from Gujarati medium, and here we have the chart to show our data in a pictorial form, right? Also you can change the chart title. Let me close it. Okay, so from here you can change like students, right? A BA students, BA students. So you can see when you select the chart, there is a chart design. Many various types of designs you can have, which you can select, right? You can select any of the chart style from here. Suppose you don't want this chart, in that case also you can select the chart and change chart type. I click here. Suppose I want pie chart. Okay, so you can see that English medium student and Gujarati medium student. Okay, I don't want this, I want this type of chart. Okay, so you can get the different types of chart also, right? So this is about how to add the chart or how to work with the chart. And then we have a graph, insert, and actually chart and graphs are same, nothing like there is no difference. So chart, but yeah, smart art is something that you can use. Smart art is something this way, like various types of graphics you can use, depend, like suppose it's a list, something you have list type, suppose something you have a process type thing, if it's a cycle type, hierarchy, right? So you can use, suppose I'm using this organization chart. So in the organization you can write that very first there is a head of the department, right? Or a let's say there is the CEO. If we talk about the company, under the CEO there is a lead, team leader, right? Under that we have employee 1, then we have employee 2, then we have employee 3. You can create the different chart based on the requirement, right? So this way you can use the chart, and here you have various options for that, different style actually, any type you can pick whatever you like. Also you can change the color, whatever the color you like, right? So this way you can insert the, use the chart, graphs, and all the other things. Then we'll come to the word art, then go to the insert. In the insert, okay, let me delete it. Okay, now we will see the word art. So go to the insert menu, and in the insert menu here you have the word art option, insert word art. Many various styles you can see here, many styles are there. Let's say I'm picking this one, and you can type your text here like happy birthday. Suppose you want to design some birthday card kind of thing here, then also you can design it, right? So word art is simple, and everywhere whenever you do something, whenever you write or place something here, when you select it you will always get one extra menu for that. So you can use multiple, or you can apply various things just like this. See, many other things. If you want to feel the shape, you can feel the shape. So all the things you can apply the similar way. Home menu is there, so you can apply all these font formatting things on this word art, right? So word art is fine. Then we have a drawing toolbar is, I think, not in every version you can find, but if it is there, it is similar like the um, your paintbrush, right? See, so it is similar to the your paintbrush if you have. But yeah, good thing is you can save it, right? Okay, you can save your work. Okay, so this is about how to insert. Mail merge we'll do in the next part, and then we have, okay, this thing we will see in the next class, next part.